Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we're gonna see the some of the commodities which you can trade for next week. Okay guys, this is the one of the major resistance area. So I will just shift this, and also you can see here what we have discussed is that you can see here I have told you this will also act as a supporting area, but you can see here exactly here only acted and goes upside momentum. So right now what we are seeing in this is that, so if once again it came downside, so it maybe take support from here only, then you can expect your first target from here, second target from here, third target, this will be your fourth and final fifth target guys. Okay guys, if this will be came downside, taken resistance, our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target will be somewhere here, third target, and this will be the fourth target for crude oil. Okay guys, we can see for natural gas guys right now. So right now in natural gas you can see here guys, this will act as major resistance area for us right now. So let it be. Okay, so right now it will act as resistance, and this will be act as one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, so what we have to see is that, just a second. Okay, if it will take support somewhere here, then our first target will be here guys, second target and third target. Okay guys, you have to see this line. Okay guys, if this will cross, then only you can take for upper side position. Otherwise if it will came downside, take resistance, this has to cross. Okay guys, if this will be crossed, then your first target will be here, second target will be here, and you can expect your third target too. Okay guys, these are the for natural gas. Okay guys, this is the consolidation happened right now. It will be the ready for big move. You can join my telegram channel also, I will update you there too guys. Okay guys, so we can see for gold and gold analysis what we have expected, exactly that happened in the gold guys. So right now what I am seeing here is that, so this will act as one of the major resistance area. This will be the, because of continuously buyers and sellers are coming from here, so we will just do this much is enough, because sellers is taking downside from here only. So what do we expect is that if it will once again came and taking resistance, you can kept your SL very tightly. Okay guys, very small SL, 1852 you can keep, and you can take for downside momentum. Your first target will be somewhere here guys, second target will be here, your third target, fourth target, and fifth target. Okay, these are the target for downside. If upside momentum, you have to see is that if it will take support, your first target, second target, this will be the third target, fourth target, and fifth target guys. These all are the 5 target in upside momentum. Okay guys, in coffee also we can see what we gonna trade. Okay guys, just a second, for I am seeing here some of the supporting areas. So this is the one of the nicest supporting area, so I will just shift those. So we don't think so it maybe gives us a very big momentum right now. So these are the enough in upside momentum, these are the targeting, and downside momentum you can take these. Okay guys, this here market has been reversible, so you can see that once again it may be reversible, so you have to conscious here. If you like this video guys, go and check out my telegram channel too guys. There I will post some of the nicest idea, so you can get it, and also check out the weekly analysis whatever I have done. Okay guys, so there I have explained in detail how you have to trade and when you have to trade, what your position and when you have traded. So go and check out that too guys, so you can learn so much. If you have any queries, please comment me down. So